Hello trainees, welcome to FITTER Week 7. In this week, we will study about the following topics: power saw, band saw, circular saw. Cut-off saws are used to cut metal, stock roughly to the required length. Features: the power saw works like a hand hacksaw and has an arrangement for cutting during the movement in one direction and releasing pressure on the non-cutting stroke. The rotary motion of the motor is converted into linear motion by a crank mechanism. Metal cutting saws. Metal cutting saws of different types are used in industries: power saw, horizontal band saw, counterband saw, circular saw. Power saw. This is the most commonly used metal cutting saw. Horizontal band saw. This machine has the advantage of continuous cutting ability and is much faster than a power saw. It may be noted that the power saw cuts in every alternate stroke. Circular saw. This type of cutting machine is used when cutting materials have a large cross section. The circular saw has a continuous cutting action and is economical in production work where heavy section metals are used. Counter saw. These machines are widely used for tool room work and not as a machine for cutting raw material stock. Precautions to be observed while machine sawing. In order to work safely and efficiently, certain precautions are to be observed. While taking measurements of the work for setting, always stop the machine. Projecting ends of the work should be well guarded so that safety may be provided to others. Ensure that the work does not protrude into the gangways. When sawing thin pieces, hold the material flat in the vise to prevent the saw teeth from breaking. Ensure a cutting fluid is used always. Avoid giving excessive cutting pressure because this can cause breakage to the blade and cut the work out of square. When several pieces of the same length are to be cut, use a stop gauge. When holding short work pieces in a vise, be sure to place a short piece of the same thickness on the opposite end. This will prevent the vise from twisting when it is tightened. Lubricate the machines in the indicated point using oil can, oil gun, or grease gun as specified by the machine manufacturer. This is end of week 7. Thank you, trainees.